Hey,
social distancing.
We are not used to it. And then they only have what's
a combination and our one is hello. Instagram. Now, one when I'm interested.
I didn't know.
Oh, I know, like, so did your love, no? And yeah, okay. What do I want to trust self for Facebook because, and then some time we can buy Jerry.
I didn't say one, I didn't know.
Because then some number me are.
Hey, sir.
Say my mention say free major bulletin.
Okay.
You and I call headlines.
All right.
Once I start for the Azon to be bring Azon to back.
Yeah.
And amount for jump also. And when I meet a gas miller. Or chair.
So you know,
when I kun say Azon to a beat, a bonu kun hey. And he say, "You'll bet what I catch and say, and you need particular rhythm for you say,
Charlie,
we are zone to your bonny say. Just after the day,
Mr. Shanumbi.
Go rabo,
Nanampadu Numbi. Miss Otenumna. Ubeka say, James Brown, money one. Just say, hey, and I'm saying. No, those days, no, I'm still looking for that song.
Sorry, no.
And you there,
and you
this thing like Coca.
Come again.
Worry now, say. Obedi are involving from the beginning. Say we should resurrect Azonto. Now, and I'll say on science, say Azonto is not there. So what do you mean by resurrecting it?
Also say I'm Pawan Kaho. They say we are a fellow Ghanaians. Oh yeah, a fellow Ghanaians. Stay home with the boy. Come out with the boy. And I'm right there. We are saying you open so we be a foul who Jim. Hey, be no we be a frew. Hey.
I be a buy also. Me na me keeping what I'm telling you. Ready all the out to our area. I'm not going to drop it. Get cross
make I said just stand there. Okay, it's time. It's our dear bay. It's also we are zone talking. I don't want Jagone. I'm in pet. Become them one man. I mean, I'm in pet Casabe. Then who's a Kwame Eugene DJ BK. Or more, some live. Soon DJ BK. Or Chame Kwame DJ. My name can be described. Oh, the men is congratulations. Can be described by anybody. My fancy here. Abuakase finest. Na eno only Kwame Eugene. That's why I'm entertaining fans ne kakra. I was observing because corona. Raja, you apart from where you are now, be posted pa. You be ready to come back. No, what's the range down? Go so sad. It's me who say omo putting effort try to sustain omo fan base. No, entertain you. Omo a good thing. Ma ade ba kwa me who ne say artist no omo show from Fini ade as energy ni mo. So does that mean crowd no? Crowd energy drink.
You see that thing? When they see the crowd like that, it's like it charges them and then they do that. What do you virtual? You know, I
am dressing. No, hey, I did what boss? Dressing up. Wow, because I'm a yellow name blending a blueness and same way. I should quote. I feel not say artist now day. Enra. Kwame Eugene, I think.
I saw more virtual shows because nothing gingers them. Nice
DJ ABK na cry no. O putting in for 200 ginger, but Kwame Eugene no pushy and I'm saying I didn't contact number somewhere and by force someone entertaining what but they are doing so well.
Yeah.
Because as an artist I cancel shows I will see car for shame one or two. But as a badge or young engineer business side Kenra Kwame Eugene DJ ABK. Nanka wu no nsuo bi. Nensio no sponsor. Maybe more free business idea. Nensio ni sponsor bi. Waje kakra onua fa 5k bi bra me virtual concert. Me get views to say. Me fan shame wo hu. Na so mun didi kakra because corona no tim say a long journey. Eno na na kan.
Opani kan o say a long walk.
A long walk. Also be ka say longer na onua a long. It's next time maybe ke munya wild na mun didi ho. Na Jerry. So I am in this year. Some as a diverse. And your bonnet. See beef for crew. Yeah. See girls in the way to money way. No, we are to money way. No, sister Steffi, I didn't know what Jim.
Yes, again, Yako Cassie.
Shh,
man, you know, or the
Jay way.
Not a little because no one has I.
Yes, oh, dear, you know, Tom Pab one or yea, and a yea, but by Jerry. Ningina Bible see a munshi and self what's here. Omunya isa. Maybe the any for the culture for the game, and my grown me the man who say Frida Rhymes. I throw in a shot to be a punch she. Sister if you day a punch she, sister Debbie fella makafu shock with Nenyon back is Bye Jerry. For the culture, I'm on the track. I never come Phyllis Accordio Hono. On Fafon in soon do a term and no but we rest you are trusting for a dope punch on the beat. It's a girl's name, sir. But we are the phone so now when you are quada, now when you are that.
The phones use with the Oyaka assembly you.
Oh, there, some so some Faba. Yeah, ye be whatever Mammy, Mammy, never be a Mijana. Mammy, now saw me too now, baby. Badgery, girls, no, they should remember they are girls. They are women. Say, Nebi and an Entoa or Chinano, a Beshia or Queen.
Sure.
They should stop messing up on social media. But I don't blame them. Kalankwala 23, 24, 25. They were in the womb 27. Debbie, they were in my fan and catching. Debbie, they were in it. Debbie, they were giant. It's all Munya Sa grown because I said, oh, my happen Kala grow. Debbie, they grandma. Debbie, they grandma. Debbie, they school mother. It's all Munya Sa. Wouldn't be a funny thing. Why now more kono was I'm Medicare, MDK, Mr. Sami. Who say, also so ye, dear Grony because a man is your Matis on a trot on your nema girls and yes, I had this song. True be money, fella, true be money, sister. Oh, and it will be my debut. Near who's our grown one muchiami. It's a badger, your munyasa. Me who sign a man name ya because a madgy, or may uncle in a professional way. A Juma way, no. Now they are money nipan. To send me Miss Udimatema, normally no. Me said that era penny fine. Me come me office and was a palm at Naswa and I'm a buffalo ha. Most I gave me a dish of a but some of the phone be so soon as I be said, when we had done not. Raja moi. Or more youth, I follow. It's a money, no munya colagona, or more aid what to say. That chasha of Ubi. It's legal. No more. You see, ya choma and Memmanina. See, I say Memman Coswa. Or money girls need you and any the police. So almost swing no munche face max. Or moon crass and it. Yacho. Yes, will be saying, you know. I'm got to be side. It's way, where's a mikuno no pana, frame, honey, Achemoya, the Namakoswa. Mr. Da station home. That station where it's Badgery. Remember me Musuna Mako. That's it. That's it. I'm a second concern as I remember 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can go.
All right.
I can go. Mammy Boz, I know you.
Boz
or Musha Madum TV beside you. Let's get
sure. All right, so Sister Sandy be a guy and I attend in Kano. Who's with you 106.3 FM? I'll say hi. Onuba. I hope you're doing well. Please, my daughter Tracy, Thelma Toshi Togbo is celebrating the birthday today. Please help me wish her a happy birthday and also God's grace and blessings for her as well. From the mom, Shelley, and the siblings, Calvin and Israel. So one more time, a happy birthday going out to you, Tracy. Thelma Toshi Togbo back what you say T slack
cassette Adania SMP they mention my name everywhere they go Charlie ready tell my fever where they blow but the money they cry cause we all sign glow and they grow when they go come I wanna know.
Please wish my son Nana Kweku Chreme
music
Boateng a happy birthday for me. He's 4 years old today. May God bless him beyond measure. From his dad and then the mom and siblings as well. We love him so much. Okay.
Of the year.
I just did. And this one here also says, Bradgery, happy blessed birthday going out to a father and husband, Prophet Charles N.T. Egan of Prayer House Chapel International, Dockhall, Buzia Junction, from the wife Mrs. Catherine Egan and the children. Okay.
The new artist where they come the force of late. Easy the be, but she fall for stage.
All right, so you're far away into a point. Now, sorry, Sonko, and it is coming from Euphoria and Ponsa. And this one goes out to you. Yes, a special one for you, Millicent, in the UK. You love this one. Enjoy.